Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to continue on with the theme that I've been sharing with you, how we've been taking a certain number of names, kind of running through a setup with them, and then trying to follow with that to completion. Some of these names include things like STZ, where as we sit right now, this play is definitely still in focus for me and something that I think still has potential into a new high prior to earnings. So still involved with that one. I think any pullbacks are buying opportunities, and we'll continue to follow that in that way until you get into the report. We've also been discussing some ideas on MPC. You can see that that one continues to perform really well. At this point, most of the extensions that I would make as far as recommended targets have been met. You can also see that that idea filters down into MRO. And some of these ideas, will take some time to digest price at the moving averages, to give them a little bit of time to gain that consolidation. And the idea is that you are in the move and ready to participate when it has that 2.5% up day like MRO did today. Now, a lot of these have been very reliable setups, and I'm looking at a couple more that we're looking at today. We've got Abbott Labs. I've been in and out of this one a couple of times, and I think it is finally ready to go. It's just the idea of looking at the squeeze, the recovery back up above the 8 and the 21 that you saw on Friday, and of course some nice momentum today. So same thing here, going out about a month and trying to look for that push into a new high. If it pulled back down into something like 55.5 tomorrow or into Wednesday, I would consider that a gift to continue to get into that idea. And another that carries a similar chart pattern is EDU. Now, some of these will be a little thinner than some of the other names, so play those, with size that you're comfortable with, but it's just the same type of concept of looking at these and saying we've got a squeeze in play, we're trading them in the direction of the overall primary trend, and when you get so close to these lifetime highs, it just opens up the opportunity for you to have a more sustained move to the upside. We had a very similar trade with CHRW, where you look back on this and find those previous highs, and especially in this case, it was from several years back, but keeping those in focus and knowing when I've got a squeeze in play that is approaching those prices can give you some of the most explosive moves higher, and that can be very helpful when you're working on timing and working with directional options. So I hope that helps. It's basically just two more to add to the list that we're looking for in this way. They've been making us some pretty good money so far, and I'm going to continue to try to maximize those ideas. So I hope that's helpful, and we'll see you at the next free video.